Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. This is D. Lakshmi Narayana, working as Associate Professor in the Department of ECE from K. Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Now, today I am going to explain the topic about control systems. Here, so before going to start my topic about control system, just I wanted to differentiate a system with a control system. Basically, the meaning for a system is it is a way of working, organizing or doing one or many tasks according to some set of rules, instructions or program to get some objective. And also we can define it as it is an arrangement in which all its units can be assembled and work together to get some objective. For example, if you take some education system, they were having different departments like ECE, CSE, EEE, mechanical and so on. All these departments will work according to some set of rules which are assigned by our college. This is called an education system. Similarly, we are having some control system. Here we are having some system we are taking like this, some OPL system G, which is having some input. We are giving it as R of t in time domain. After some time, this will produce some output. We can define it as C of t in time domain. Here, whenever the system output is controlled by some input, then the system will be named as a control system. So, based on the type of control element, we are having two kinds of control systems. Mainly, those are open loop control system and closed loop control system. Coming to open loop control system, here due to some internal or external disturbances, if there are any changes in the output, those changes will not be corrected or altered by this input signal. That is called open loop control system. Whenever the output of the system is controlled automatically by the input signal, then the system will be named as closed loop control system. Here, to construct that closed loop control system, we people have to use few more elements. Those are controlling unit, some error detector and mainly some feedback network. So, with these three elements only, we are able to generate output which is altered by the input. So, here we are giving input as R of t and it can produce some error signal, that is called E of t will be the combination of both feedback signal and input signal, that is called R of t plus or minus F of t. Now, it can give output, we can take it as C of t. Here, if you observe this overall block diagram, here the main elements are feedback circuit, controlling element and some error detector also named as comparator. Here, whenever the output is having some changes due to some internal disturbance of the circuit or some external disturbances, those output changes will be corrected or controlled by the system itself by using this feedback network. So, this is the information regarding both open loop and closed loop control system. Here, I wanted to give advantages of the open loop control system and closed loop control system, drawbacks of open loop and closed loop system. Coming to advantage of the open loop control system, here the first one is it is very simpler in construction and easier to operate. Similarly, it can also be very economical system. Coming to drawbacks or disadvantages of open loop control system, these systems will give inaccurate output and unstable outputs. So, coming to advantages of the closed loop control systems, here the first one is this is very simpler to construct and give stable of operations, accurate operations. Coming to disadvantages of the closed loop control system, coming to size, this is somewhat complexity. So it is very costlier thing. So these are the advantages, disadvantages of open loop and closed loop control system. So whenever the system, if you want to get output as very accurate and stable, we people have to go for closed loop control system. Thank you. In the next video, I will give the information regarding mathematical model of a control system. Thank you.